If you're looking for a super flat but still very beautiful and stylish USB wall charger with 2 times USB-C and really a lot of power, then this Nekmit wall charger, which I got from the seller, could be an awesome solution. And so here's what I got. And you can see how beautiful this is, really super nice, flat. And underneath we have these 2 super convenient USB-C ports. Yeah, absolutely amazing, this style. And again, the really awesome thing is that it's super powerful. I mean, for this size, it's absolutely amazing that it not only delivers standard 5 volts, but also 9 volts, 12 volts, 15 volts, and even up to full 20 volts. So you can even use it to charge your USB-C rechargeable laptop. And of course, cannot only be used down, but you can also use it up. For example, here fits perfectly, so I can plug in USB cables from the top, fits perfectly here on the side. And so I have it here in the kitchen. You can see how absolutely perfectly it fits here. Super low profile, nobody's going to hit that here. Absolutely perfect. And so I'm going to charge this laptop here, and the charge is showing around 45 watts or even higher. I've seen up to 47, 48 maximum here. Absolutely phenomenal. So the maximum output when you're working alone is up to 50 watts. But of course, it also supports dual charging. We can see that here on this phone, it's still charging the laptop. Of course, a little bit slower, around 30 watts maximum, but still charging this phone. So the 50 watts are now distributed nicely. One port charging with 30 watts and the other one is charging with 20 watts, still 50 watts in total. Absolutely amazing. So small, beautiful, but still super strong. You haven't seen any better charger for this location here. So it's a full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this charger, just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.